Okay, so I know there's already a million of these videos on YouTube, but I really liked the outcome of my custom solution, so I thought I would share. So I need a powerful DIY servo, because one of the hobby RC servos just isn't going to cut the application that I'm going to apply this to. So, yep, needed to build my own powerful servo using, you guessed it, well, actually, it's not a windshield wiper motor, it's a power seat motor. But anyway, so I got all the parts from Amazon, like everybody else, and I'm using the L298N H-bridge dual channel circuit that are like $3 a piece. And then I got a bunch of these servos, these MicroServos for like $2 a piece. And took them apart, hacked them together, and wired it into the H-bridge. Now, the neat part that I am particularly happy with is how I converted this motor into a servo motor. As you can see, I drilled a hole through the rear of the thrust plate and also bored a hole into the shaft and was able to pressure fit a potentiometer into the rear of it and then mount it using some sliced plastic and hooking it up to the 1024 threaded rod. Anyway, I'm also using one of these what are they called? DumboRC remotes. Also, these are only like $39 or $40. Remarkably, they are very precise with their PWM signals and their range. So, pretty happy. Anyway, so here's the demo. Here we can see me pulling the trigger here to advance the one circuit. So that gives me my continuous rotation on that one, on that wheel, or on that motor. And then using the thumb attachment, you can then control the servo. And oh, I left the motor attached to this servo just so you could hear if it self-centers or not. It does a pretty good job. I'd say it doesn't self-censor 100% of the time, given that there is a little bit of jitter on the end shaft. But I am thinking of trying to increase this torque a little bit more by adding another layer of like a gearbox on top of the gearbox so I could double the output, because actually the application that I'm going to apply this to doesn't even need a high-speed servo, so I'd get a little more accuracy if I attach the pot to the output of the secondary spur down. So anyway, that's the entire circuit in a nutshell, and let me give you another close-up of how I did the servo motor here. All right, there it is. Peace.